Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to bake coconut cake from start to finish, and after this you can make yours as well. Let's make it. So over here I have 2 eggs that I'm going to be cracking into my mixing bowl. This is a very quick and easy way to make a cake. And I have some canola oil. Feel free to use some butter if you like. I have coconut sugar. Feel free to add the regular granulated sugar. So at this point you can add your coconut milk and just whisk it, just the way I'm doing. So I'm going to finish off the wet ingredients by adding some vanilla. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. Right here I'm adding my all-purpose flour. At this point, I still have some coconut flour that I'm going to add too, and some Himalayan salt, baking powder, and I'll just mix all that together. This is just an easy tutorial for beginners. If you want to learn how to make the cake, is as easy as anything. So if you just follow these steps, you will get to your destination. Now it's all mixed. My pan is already greased with some butter and I dusted it with flour. I'm just going to empty this batter into my pan and send it into the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. And after that, our coconut cake is already baked. Look at that. So now I'm just going to flip it and allow the air to escape. And I'm going to leave it to cool down completely before I can ice it. But first off, I'm going to level it. I'll slice up the top of it like so, and I'm going to leave this to just cool down. So let's jump into the icing process. Over here I have my bowl. I just brought this out from the freezer, and my whisk. It has to be very cold because I'm using heavy cream for the icing. So this is our heavy cream that I'm going to be using for the frosting. And I'm going to just whisk that for a couple of minutes. Roughly 10 minutes will give you that stiff peak that you're looking for. Like I said, this is the easiest way. Look at the stiff peak. The easiest way to bake an ice. Right here I have royal blue. I just want to tint it a little bit just to have a light shade of blue. So I used toothpick, dipped it into my color, dipped it into the icing, and I'll just whisk that. And then our icing is ready. You can add sugar to it, but I just want it plain. I don't want it too sweet. So at this point, I'm using my spatula to just mix it thoroughly before transferring it to the cake that is on my plate. And I'm going to use my angled spatula to just do a sweeping motion just to cover the cake with the frosting before decorating. Like I said, this is an easy and quick beginner guide, step-by-step tutorial on how to bake and ice and cover and decorate a cake. Right here I have my nozzle and my piping bag. I had to just cut up the tip of the piping bag and I put my nozzle in. So I'm going to be putting the frosting into this bag like that. And you can make any design of your choice. I just decided to just play with it and just do something simple, as you can see. I decided to make some rosettes on the cake because in cake decorating, rosettes is one of the easiest design that you can make on your cake to decorate your cake. So at the end of the day, since it's a coconut cake, I have some coconut flakes that I'm going to just use to just garnish the top and the bottom of the cake. So you see how simple and easy? Like I said, this is a very easy tutorial on how to bake and ice a cake. Very simple, very quick and easy. Anybody can do this. So at this point, I want to say thank you all for watching and feel free to subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Like, share my video amongst your friends and family and loved ones. If you have watched the video up to this point, I want to say thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can just leave it down at the comment section. So I believe after watching this tutorial, you'll be able to surprise your friends and family members with a very nice looking birthday cake or whatever the celebration is. At this point, our cake is nice looking and complete. Very easy and very quick tutorial. Thank you all for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye.